this video we're going to learn how to make this skincare ads design in Canva. So let's jump right to Canva and do that now. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is to create a new page, and this one is going to be Instagram portrait size, this one here, 4:5, and we're going to paste our elements that we're going to be using, and these are the elements that we're going to be using for the design. So what we can do now is to create a new page, and let's rearrange this page. Now that we have this, we're going to drag our first image here into our design, and we're going to make it to fill the whole page. Okay, and once we're done, we're going to make a copy of it, make a duplicate, and drag it and make sure it's at the center. So what we can do now is to come to app, and we're going to search for WAP. Yeah, this one here, this is the one we're going to be using. Just click on it, and it's going to give you 3 options, and we're going to pick the first one. While it's loading, what we can do is to remove the background of this first one, okay, because we don't need the extra background. So we're going to remove it. So what we have now is this. Okay, we have these 2 images right here. So I'm going to Ctrl Z so that it can be in the same place. So come to WAP, and in our WAP we're going to reduce the brush size. What the brush size simply means is this. Okay, we have this big brush, so we can reduce it, and it's going to be smaller. Okay, and as you reduce it, you can see it's getting smaller. You can make it really big. Okay, don't do that, just make it small enough. So what you can do now is to come here and push. Okay, and just push. Just push carefully to get the perfect size. Okay, so once you're done, you can click save, and what WAP is going to do is going to upload your file into your upload folder. You can see here it's uploading it, and it's going to save your work so that you can have access to this image. So whenever you go to your upload folder, you're going to see this that you've done. Okay, so what we can do now is to it's going to give you a command here that WAP brush has successfully uploaded your media to your library. So it's right there now. So if I come here, you're gonna see it. Okay, it's gonna be right there. Look at it right here. Okay, so now what we can do now is to come to edit, and we're gonna make this image to be black and white. Come to adjust, then come to saturation and reduce the saturation to 0. I mean to -0. So now this is what we have. We can do other settings like make it real dark and all that. The idea here is to create the ads where we have a layer of the skin being revealed, because I kind of make a research concerning this, and this is going to be your ad. Okay, this is a technique that you can do and use the WAP, telling people, okay, you're able to get the skin through those products. So so that's it. So this is your ad. Remember the ad structure. Let me just quickly show that to you, because a lot of people when making ads, they make a whole lot of mistake. Let me show you. This is the kind of ads that we're going for. Okay, I got this image from the internet, and I did a little research on the ads that people make concerning skincare products. It's mainly them showing before and after what this effect can do on their skin. So what you can do before you make an ad, always make your research. Your ads doesn't have to have a whole lot of text in it, okay, because there's a place for all of that. Look at this ad structure here. You can see that this ad only contain just this image and just in text. Okay, ours doesn't even have that one, does not even have text at all. You can see I'm going to put this in the exercise file so that you can look at it and study it, because you're probably going to have a lot of stress working with clients when it comes to making ads, because they want you to put everything on the flyer, but that is not an ad at all. It's just going to be so distracting, because there is a place for your text, I mean for your heading. Okay, Instead of putting your heading on your design, there's a place for it. There's a place for shop now button. There's no need for you to put your CTA on your design. There's a place for your text, your key text. There's a place for your link, which is here. There's a place for your image, and there's a place for your website. Normally when making an e-flyer, you normally put all those things into the design, but now when running an ads, it's a different ball game. Okay, this is where you may likely have stress with clients, because they don't know, most don't know, and they want to put all these things into the design. Let them know, educate them. Okay, I'm going to put this design in the exercise file so that I can have it, maybe use that as a convincing evidence to your clients. But if they don't, okay, if your client insists, oh, I want everything to be on the design, okay, just do it, and let them go. Okay, I know it's a bad practice, but most times you educate them and let them make the choice. Okay, these are design, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.